Have you ever wondered why certain professionals do not get the job that they want? Even if they get the job, they are not happy with the pay that they are receiving. They think that they want more pay, they deserve more pay, but they do not get. They are not able to seek it from their employers. If you are thinking like this video is for you. Because if you understand what your employer wants, what is your employer's expectations from you, and if you have those expectations fulfilled for your employer, you can negotiate your salary or the pay that you are getting. Yes, and if you are worrying about what are the employer's expectations, then don't worry, I got all covered for you in this video. Watch this video till the end and I will give you the bonus tip at the end. For those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Harit Bhatt, the communication catalyst who is on a mission to transform 1 million professionals who are fed up with their EMI lives to unlock their voice so that they can build their exceptional life of freedom and fitness. So without taking much of your time, let us look at which are the 7 skills that can help you to get the dream job. Now, as we know, the first and the 7th skill that is required is that you must be open to feedback. Whenever you are working in an organization, your superiors or your team members will give you certain feedbacks which you might not like. There are 2 ways of approach to any feedback. First is justifying why you are not able to achieve those results and again sharing the reasons. Second is taking the feedback in a positive attitude, with a positive attitude, and taking it as an opportunity to improve on yourself. The 6th skill that is an employer expect is that taking initiative, thoughtfulness. You know, if you are just sitting idly in your office, if you are just if you are just habituated to taking orders from the superiors, do only when someone tells you or ask you to do the things, then that attitude may not be accepted by your organization. But if you are having an attitude of how can I complete this task faster, how can I find a solution to this problem, that will help you to stand distinct from the other co-workers. Skill number 5 is teamwork. When you are in a team and if you do not achieve the results, there is tendency of certain people who say that, oh, that person did not put his efforts completely, due to which you are not able to get these results. And that attitude is called as blaming, complaining, butter polishing. If you have this kind of attitude, you may not be accepted by the organization. But if you have taking responsibility attitude, no matter whatever the reason was, but you own it up that, okay, we were not able to achieve these results and it is my responsibility, and you, in that way, you start thinking upon how you can improve so that you can achieve those results next time. So that kind of attitude is required. The skill number 4, non-verbal communication. Certain people just go to organization because they are told to come to the organization for that duration of time, maybe 9 to 5, maybe 10 to 6, and so they go to the organization, work from 9 to 5, very hard worker, looking very obedient, but they are lazy. They are only talking, they do not take any actions. And the second kind of people are confident in communication skills, they take initiative, they are collaborating with their colleagues, they are high on energy, so that their body language is speaking that they are coming here to work to give their best performance. So if you are an average performer, you may not be accepted, but if you are an extraordinary performer, the organization that can understand your worth and your value, so that you can get the salary that you want. Skill number 3, attitude of working. If you are if your time of your job is 9 to 5, and if you are just working for 9 to 5 and you are not ready to seek some extra hours to get the task complete, it shows that your attitude is to just, you are exchanging your time for the money that you are getting. But if your attitude is in achieving goals, then you will be willingly sharing or giving your extra time to your organization so that you can achieve those goals. And this kind of attitude is getting noticed by the superiors so that they can recommend you for your promotion or the career hike also. Skill number 2 is participation, the kind of participation. You know, in a team meeting, some of the person are just listeners. They do not take any initiative, they do not share any ideas, they just follow the orders, whatever the required to be done. They receive from their superiors, they just start doing it. And the other kind of people are, they share their ideas, they think that, oh, how this can be done in a better way. And they take active leadership. That is called an active participations. And this kind of personality attracts more wealth, more recognition. So you need to work on your participation. You need to ask yourself which kind of attitude you are having for this. And the skill number 1 is listening. There are two kinds of listening, passive and active. When you are watching this video, there is a voice in your mind that is continuously telling you that, see, he is making mistake, lot of mistakes over here, a lot of mistake over there. You are not listening to whatever value that I am sharing with you, the knowledge that I am sharing with you, but you are listening to your own voice. That is kind of a passive listening. And the second is active listening. In the active listening, you ignore the mistakes, but you are focused in what value you can get. When you are listening to me or to your boss or to your spouse or to your co-workers, you are listening to get what is the solution probably you can get for that work. Instead of thinking in your mind that let me give you an example, that if you are facing a problem, not achieving the results, and if your co-worker gives a solution, there is a voice in your mind that is telling that, he is not so good enough in his working and he is giving the solution. I am better than him. I know the solution. If you are listening in this pattern, this is a passive listening, then you are failing to grow and you are hitting, वो बोलते हैं ना, खुद के पाँव पे हथौड़ी मार रहे हो. It's this kind of thing. So you must be having an active listener. Now, after understanding these 7 skills, you might be thinking that, how are these skills? And if you do not have any of this kind of skills, do not worry. I have a bonus skills for you. Bonus skill number 0 is that all skills can be developed. These are non-verbal communication, listening, participation. These are all the attributes of yourself. These are the skills that you must have if you want to grow, or even if you do not have, you can acquire those skills by continuous practicing. And that's how you can grow in your life. So I hope you like this and enjoy these 7 skills, and please ignore the mistakes that I have done in this video, because what important is that you implement this skill, acquire these skills in your life so that you can achieve your life goals. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel, and share this video with your loved ones whom this video can impact. And if you want to join my community, I have a link in the group description of this video. You can click on the link and join my WhatsApp community where I am giving a lot of values for free. So bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and don't forget to love yourself.